No matter how big or small, our customers have been our priority for over 100 years. Established in 1918 as a Prestolite distributor, founder Ray Garten diversified into welding and cutting industries. Through dedicated generations, Sutton Garten grew with metal fabrication and gas industries to become the oldest welding supply distributor in the United States. "100 years in the making." Today, Sutton Garten Company's full-service operation includes welding and cutting supplies, industrial and food-grade gas sales, dry ice manufacturing, CO2 and nitrogen bulk fill services, welder repair and calibration, weld training and certification. Sunrise to nightfall, 24/7. Sutton Garten is there. Among contractors, improving homes. Among foundry workers, crafting auto parts. Among automobile workers, increasing performance. Among manufacturers, improving safety. Among welders, advancing technology. Among brewers and restaurants, enhancing craftsmanship, enriching entertainment, guaranteeing satisfaction. Among family and friends, Sutton Garten is aware. Elements of fire, ice, water, air, delivering earth-conscious quality solutions, right down to the environment. Sutton Garten cares. Recognized nationally and internationally for 100 years of excellence and service, Sutton Garten is a proud member of the Independent Welding Distributors Cooperative, the Gases and Welding Distributors Association, and the Indianapolis Chamber of Commerce. Creating quality products and services that win customer loyalty for your business is our business.